Hello, my name's Katie, and today we're going to be talking about Weight Watchers. So, Weight Watchers is just a program that people can sign up for, and we're just going to talk about if it's a fad diet or not. So, what a fad diet is just a diet that's kind of like a trend and it's a fast approach to losing weight. So, we're going to decide today if Weight Watchers is that. So, Weight Watchers was founded in the early 1960s by Miss John right here, as you can see her picture on the slideshow. And how it began was she was just asking her friends on how the best ways to lose weight. So they just decided, let's make a program and we can help other individuals with the same problem she had. So with Weight Watchers, they provide information, knowledge, tools, motivation to help individuals with their nutrition and exercise. They really want to improve people's education on these topics to help them better reach their goals. And we're going to talk about the information, knowledge, and tools a little bit later. So what Weight Watchers really believe in is they believe in having a healthy lifestyle, which includes mental, physical, and emotional health. So all these things put together, they really want to incorporate in their program. And with their programs, people that want to be included with it, they sign up to become members. And we're going to talk about that. So the My Weight Watchers, that's part of the program once they sign up and become members. What they do is they take an assessment and they get an eating style, which is green, blue, or purple. And with these eating assignments, they were based off research that My Weight Watchers collaborated with the global science team. So the green, as you see right here, it has sizable smart points and 100 plus 0 points for foods, which are fruits and non-starchy foods and vegetables. So what the smart points are is just how to count regular foods like chicken, rice, this and that. And the 0 points are for, fruits, vegetables, little things that don't have so much calories in them compared to other things. So then we have the blue program, which has a moderate smart points. So a little bit more than the green program. And then it also has 100 more 0 points than the green program, meaning it includes lean proteins also. And then we move down to the purple program, which has the most smart points out of all three. And it also has the most 0 points with 300 of them. And it just adds whole grains to the list. So each one just adds another option to them. So after you take the assessment and you want to sign up, you can decide the different membership plans. So they have three of them. They have the digital, the workshop plus digital, and the coaching plus digital. So let's start off with the digital. So the digital program, it costs $3.22 per week for just the 3-month program. Now they do have other programs that you can sign up for. You just got to go look on the website for the different pricing. This is just the main one that a lot of people do choose, which is the 3-month program. So what the digital program has, it has access to a barcode scanner, a reward program, recipes for restaurants, audio workouts, live coaching, everything on the app basically. So with the workshops in digital, the workshops just adds a little bit more to it. So it's going to be $6.92 per week for the 3-month program. So with the workshops, you can connect with the Weight Watchers coach and others in a 30-minute session, or you can go at locations that are open around the US or wherever it's the closest near you in a state or so. And then with the coaching one, the coaching just adds a little bit more to it. So you have workshops and everything, but the coaching gives you a one-on-one support from a Weight Watchers coach that focus on your goals. And you have access to all the digital tools also, but the coach just focuses on your issues. So this one's going to be costing $12.69 per week for the 3-month program. As you can see, each program goes a little bit more pricey as they go up in what you can include in them. So we do also have our Weight Watchers features. So we're going to begin with Wellness Wins, Now this Wellness Wins is just a reward system that goes through Weight Watchers, and it's just for staying on track with your goals. So you can have someone that just reached maybe a small goal of losing 7 pounds, give or take, and you can be rewarded. So they're going to have the different levels. So we have the tier 1, which includes 1,500 wins, which means points. We have tier 2, who has 2,500, and tier 3 with 4,000. And what I think is really cool is this reward system offers the different products that you can cash in for the points. So some things that I found on the website were some shop credit for the Weight Watchers shop, a flip wallet, a water tumbler, gym hair kit. There's a lot of more options just from just that. If you definitely check out the website, you can definitely see a lot. They also have the Fit Points. So Fit Points is just the same thing as Smart Points or 0 points, but it deals with exercise and physical activity. So you can get so many Fit Points for a certain goal or a certain activity that you want to do, like your workout minutes kind of thing. So the Fit Points 2.0, it's personalized for each member and it's based on someone's age, height, sex, weight, intensity. And intensity meaning how far can you go at a physical activity. If you're very physical active or not so much, it all depends on the person and what they want to achieve. And then we also have the Weight Watcher shop. That's kind of what I was explaining for the shop credit. So Weight Watchers shop, you are able to buy Weight Watchers products and other healthy options in their shop. So Weight Watchers actually has some like protein bars, some drinks, some things that people can buy on their website, and they also promote other healthy options. So other healthy snacks or other labels or anything that they deem as healthy, they're going to promote on their website. So continuing, we do have some successful stories. So the two main ones that I found on the website were the Miss Member KCD and a member named Georgia C. We're going to start off with Miss KCD. She was a member since 2017 and she lost a total of 32 pounds with their program, and she was on the purple one. So she was just talking about how she took advantage of all the features that Weight Watchers provided to her, which was the coaches, the workshops, and the apps to help her on her journey. And with all these features, she felt she had more confidence, and she did have a lot of people that helped her and supported her. So all the people that was in Weight Watchers and even people that were surrounding her, that she felt that they were really helping her reach her goals by supporting her and giving her the confidence that she needed. So now we're going to move on to Miss Georgia C. And she lost a total of 133 pounds with Weight Watchers. So the reason why she really loves Weight Watchers was losing the weight with them. Actually, it helped her avoid a knee replacement surgery. She was able to learn how to eat right with the point system, and she felt it was a lot easier because she didn't really know nutrition, physical activity, or any education on that. So she felt the point system actually helped her understand it better. And she actually started out on the digital membership, and she was posting some progress in the Connective Weight Watchers. So she was able to post things on like their website, get people into her journey, and help people in there. She felt that there was a lot of people that was encouraging her, which helped her on her journey, just like how Miss Casey had a lot of people helping her. She also believed at the end that the program helped her believe more in herself, and it pushed her to reach her goals even more. On the other hand, we have some not so successful stories. So, with these not successful stories, I did have a hard time trying to find them. When I looked up some stories, all that came up was a lot of bad reviews, not so much not so successful, but I was able to find these two. So Miss Joni Ellman, she was in Weight Watchers, and she said that it negatively impacted her more than it helped her in the long run. She said she did lose weight. She didn't gain it back, but she felt like the point system screwed up food for her forever. She felt and started developing an eating disorder because of how the system was. She believed that with the point system that it just messed up her eating habits, and she hasn't counted points since 2008, but she still found herself counting points all the way up to 2017, which was when the article was posted on ravagely.com. So overall, she just felt like the point system was just not a good thing for people, and that it just did not help her. And we also have Miss Sarah. She was a member of Weight Watchers back in 2007. She did lose 7 pounds on Weight Watchers, but she saw that she gained more weight after she left the program. And she also stated that the program, and I quote, made her feel tired and defeated as she struggled to maintain her weight. So what she was saying was the program just kind of made her feel drained and didn't want to keep going with it. She just felt defeated in herself and everything around her. Now, they did include in there that Sarah's trainer and nutritionist said that she does see people who struggle with this diet and how it destroyed their metabolisms and making it hard for them to lose and maintain the weight that they did lose. So, all in all, it all comes down to, is Weight Watchers a fad diet? Now, like we said before, a fad diet is just a popular diet, like a trend, and it's usually offering a quick and easy way to lose weight. So normally a fad diet would be selling products that are just like, hey, if you eat this in 2 weeks, you'll lose so much weight. Now, Weight Watchers, it is a popular diet tool. A lot of people do use it, but I don't believe it can be considered a real fad diet. And here's the reasons why. Weight Watchers has a lot of tools and diet options that are supposed to help people in the long term, not within a time frame. So they don't have to where if you eat just this, and this within 30 days, you can lose this much weight. Weight Watchers offers the point system. So this food equals this much points, and it gives them a variety of what they can eat and actually help them with feeling confident and reaching goals, not just losing weight, but with physical activity and confidence and able to support people around them.